Oil and water don't mix. But what if we could actually test it out ourselves to learn why? Well, luckily we can, and I'm here to show you. All you need are 2 containers, which can be things like glass jars or even empty plastic water bottles, some water, some oil, food coloring, and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. Fill 1 container with water and add food coloring of your choice. I'm gonna go with purple. Then, in another container, add some of your vegetable oil. Next, pour your colored water into the container with the vegetable oil and watch what happens. The molecules that make up oil are much larger than water, so they don't pack together as tightly. This makes oil less dense than water, so it rises to the top. Now, if we add our Alka-Seltzer tablet, we can see something spectacular happen. Watch this. The tablet is more dense than oil, so it sinks down to the layer of water. It then dissolves and reacts, forming a gas called carbon dioxide, the same gas that we exhale. This gas is much lighter than both water and oil, so it rises to the top, bringing some of the colored water with it. That's so awesome.